Hi, so today I'm in Porvorim and this majestic iconic banyan tree is going to be cut. It's my appeal to the authorities in power to please save this iconic banyan tree. It is not difficult, it's just that we have to apply our mind and a little principle that would go. I would estimate the entire procedure for this banyan tree to transplant should not be more than 5 legs. We can save this majestic banyan tree which has got so much of meaning. I can see biscuits, I can see bangles. So it's a sort of an entire ritual that's happening around this majestic banyan tree. And it's my prayer to save this tree if it is possible and make sure that it grows. So I'm not against development. I'm very much in favor of development, but it has to be scientifically in a phased manner. And I've been passionate about plants from the tender age of 4, and all the trees that I've saved, I've not taken a single rupee because I believe in protecting Mother Nature and the environment. So right now, I'm just chasing my dreams to keep Goa clean and green. Friends, an appeal, please give me your support and share this video so it reaches the concerned authorities.